Hi, it's V from Crafting Daily Dose. Today I have a quick alternative for the April 2021 paper pumpkin called So Cool. This one focuses on the stickers and the stamp set. First, let's make our card bases. I'm using Bermuda Bay cardstock since that matches the Stampin' Spot ink color that we got in our kit this month. So here's a sheet of 8.5 by 11, and I'm going to turn it so that the long side is along the top, and I'm going to score at 5.5. So I'm using my scoring blade, which is the light gray one. Then once my paper has been scored, I will turn it so that the short side is along the top, and I will cut at 4 1/4. I just moved my scoring blade out of the way, and now I'm going to cut. So this allows me to make 2 card bases at once, and this is how my card's going to open. I've chosen the little cluster of dots from the stamp set, and I'm just going to ink them all the way around the periphery of my card. And as I go around, I'm just going to turn it at different angles so that it doesn't look too much the same. Get a little variety going there. For our second card base, I'm going to layer on some of this coordinating Ice Cream Corner Designer Series paper, but it's too pretty to just cover up. So before I put it on to our card base, I'm going to use these splotches of color and punch out some ice cream shapes with it. So this is the Ice Cream Builder punch. I'm going to put it in and just punch. And I think I can get another one from here. Fast and easy, and now I've got 2 ice cream scoops that I can use for a different project. Now I can go in and put some Stampin' Seal on the back. And I'll put it onto the card base. So I'm looking at the corners here to see if I have the same margin along the top and the side. And so I'll just lay down this one corner and then come down to this other bottom corner, and my margins look about the same. So I'll gradually lay down the rest of the paper. I've got 2 pieces of basic white cardstock that are 3.5 by 4 3/4, and I also have a little piece of window sheet. If you don't have any of this, any sort of clear flexible plastic will do. You could even use the shrink wrap that your paper pumpkin came wrapped in, but this is a much better weight for the ink smooshing that we're about to do. So I'm just going to turn my ink spot over and press it down so that some of the ink gets onto the window sheet. And then I've got a spritzer that just has some water in it. Do a few drops. Now you could press the paper onto the window sheet. That would be a little bit less messy, but I kind of like to just do it this way because I like to watch what's happening and it's really fun. So I just am moving the window sheet around, sort of manipulating and moving the color around. Kind of random. There you go. And then we're just going to do the same thing for the other one. Mine's not too wet and it's drying okay, but if you need to help yours along, you can pull up the heat tool and make it go a little bit faster. Now I'm just going to stamp a sentiment on, so I'm bringing in the foam pad that comes with my Stamparatus. Having a foam cushion underneath the paper when I'm stamping with a clear photopolymer stamp is going to help me get a better image. There are several different sentiments in the stamp set, but I'm just going to go with "You Are So Cool." And now these are ready to adhere to our card base. I've got 2 more pieces of basic white cardstock that are also 3.5 by 4 3/4, and these are going to be for the inside. I'm just stamping them with the popsicle image from the stamp set. Then these are going to go inside the card. I went ahead and put on the panels that I had stamped, and I'm just going to put the stickers in place. I'll tie a little bow from the twine that came with the kit. And then I'll use the mini glue dots to put the bows on. So those are our cards. Pretty quick and easy this time. I hope that you've enjoyed this little dose of creativity and that you'll join me the next time. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.